What is artificial intelligence and machine learning? Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the ability of a computer or machine to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing patterns, understanding language, and making decisions. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that involves training algorithms to improve their performance on a specific task without being explicitly programmed. There are several different types of AI, including 1. Rule-based AI. This type of AI follows a set of rules or guidelines to perform a specific task. For example, a rule-based AI system might be programmed to diagnose a medical condition based on a set of symptoms. 2. Expert systems. Expert systems are AI systems that are designed to mimic the decision-making abilities of a human expert in a specific domain. For example, an expert system might be used to diagnose a medical condition based on a patient's symptoms and medical history. 3. Machine learning. Machine learning involves training algorithms to improve their performance on a specific task without being explicitly programmed. This is done by feeding the algorithm large amounts of data and allowing it to learn patterns and relationships in the data. There are several different types of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button.